let's discuss how to make a pin in Pinterest that will run to a Google Drive element, either a folder, an entire folder, or an element in a folder, like a Google slide. Okay, this is pretty simple. So what you do is you go to Pinterest, and let's say that you're in one of your existing boards, and you decide to make a pin. And inside here, you'll create a pin, and you have these three elements to work with. First, you're going to drag an image. And remember, Pinterest has to have an image for it to anchor to, so that when you click on it, it will go to a URL. Okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drag in this image here. And I just went and I downloaded a Google Drive icon on my desktop. And then I entered it right in here by just dragging it over. If I don't like that picture, I could delete it. Now here, I'm going to put down content for, and this is any high school. And it's not, but I have some content for high school. Now tell everyone what your pin is about. And this could be content shared on October 2nd, 2019. So this is where you would add your destination link down here. That's real important. If you don't add it, when they click on a picture, they're just going to get a picture. So the destination link can either be the folder itself, which right here I have an entire folder of content with these elements in here, right? I have a PowerPoint, I have a Google slide, I have a Google form, I have a Google sheet with some results, and I have all this in one place. So if I'm in the folder itself, that folder here, if I come back out, and how I did that is I went inside of it, and I can either use the breadcrumbs to go backwards, right? Or I could have clicked here and then just hit the back button as well. But if I click on it one time and I go to the shareable link, get shareable link, I can copy that. Got it? That's the link that I'm going to paste inside of my Pinterest pin where it says add a destination link. If it was just a slideshow that I wanted to share, not 7, 8, 10 things, right? I could go over here to where it says share and copy that link. Now that I've copied that link, I could paste that, right? But I'm going to post this one instead. I'm going to go after all these elements inside of that drop. But make sure that you click on the folder, right? And I just went to the wrong one. I got to go back. I'm going to go to my fall content, back on it again, and then I'm going to click on, I'm going to copy that, and it ends in a M8, right? So now I'm going to go back to Pinterest and paste it. Having a tough time seeing that, but it's in there. See if I can get back to where I can see it. With Control minus. Still a little tough time, but it's going to be there. So let's go in and hit save. I want to see it now to make sure that this actually worked. There's my pin and its action. And when I click on it, see there? Went straight to my folder with all my content from that area there. So they got instant access to all of this information from a pin in Pinterest. If I go back, I can also see where it's at. But there you go.